1 million steps Nike React Element in just over 3 months. I got into a groove. Hi, this is Matt from Gotta Hoop 'Em All. In these shoes here, I did 10,000 steps a day for 100 days.
1 million steps
in just over 3 months. I did it in these here. This is the Nike React Element, which had the React foam. Just felt like a great shoe to walk in. Got motivated, count my steps. It sort of gave a little indication that if you hit 8,000 steps, it sort of fills the bar. I thought, oh, that's not a bad idea. Just gone for a walk 2 days in a row. And then when I look back, my little bar's full. The app on my phone is saying, oh, you've got 2 consecutive days, keep going. Oh, okay. Quickly calculated, if I can do 10,000 for 100 days, that's 1 million steps. I wonder if shoes can handle that. Can a pair of soft-soled shoes like the Nike React handle 1 million steps? My best month, I averaged 11,183 steps, 250 kilometers, and that took 69 hours. I had a peak of 16,000 steps. My lowest step counts were in the 8,100 mark. Get up early in the morning, walk along the parklands. One day turned into 2, turned into a week. Then my watch was keeping me on track. I remember having a few struggles. Some days it was like really raining and it would rain all day. I just have to walk indoors. 30-day mark, I think I was really tired. Sometimes I pushed myself, always enjoyed it when I came back. Always felt better. Yeah, I made sure I never missed a day. I said to myself, I'm going to do it 30 for 30, 300,000 steps. I began to have a fondness and enjoyment, a love for. I got a walking groove. I got into a groove. Yes, these have taken 3 to 4 million steps. How did the shoes last after taking all that damage?
Go to gottahoopemall.com and you can support us.
You get a cool tee and we get the satisfaction of knowing we made one.